called slowing down the game for a three-pointer, Brad. Learn it. Like, what's the point of having limitless takeoff?
Green.
Look at that. I just grabbed a whole board, Brad.
Oh!
Rusty.
We didn't. He didn't say that.
Yes, he did.
I don't
literally
believe
said he
you.
texted me
No,
and said,
I
"We'll
didn't
jump."
see it, so
Okay.
it's not true.
Okay.
Look at that 1-0. I'm joking. We can if you want. Okay, bro. Look at that logo.
W logo for real.
Wait, hold on.
What?
Hey,
There's.
yo, John. Get your John.
Nah, you like it, bro.
Don't say that.
Their uniforms are fire.
Yeah, they're just kind of nice. Kind of
Ours
nice.
is better.
I want a
At least my
3
green
MD.
kind of
Wait.
matches the my green hair kind of matches uniforms.
Starting off strong, baby.
Okay, Carter said he'd be on in about 15-20 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Bro,
So
what was
excited.
that jump I just did? Did you see that?
I'm backdooring now, Rusty.
No
Oh.
way.
Unfortunate.
Nice, I'm off.
Very fortunate.
John, you sold.
No, I didn't, bruh. It's called slowing down the game for a three-pointer, Brad. Learn it. Yeah, first times.
John, what are you doing?
I was
Rusty's
moving my
playing
blanket for
defense.
real.
My boy got scared.
Look at that. I just grabbed a whole board, bruh.
Oh!
Rusty don't. Oh.
I'm still a big body.
That was almost.
Just wait till I get that posterizer.
Oh, you
Sorry,
are.
boys. We're fine, I'm there.
Eli.
Aw.
Bruh, in your
You
mouth.
ran all the way from the corner to the other
I
corner,
was
bro.
straight in your mouth.
Okay, Rusty.
I saw you, bro. I just didn't feel like giving you the ball.
Cutting.
See, I saw John. John, I want to give you the ball. You?
It's because I'm cutting.
John, good defense, Rusty.
Oh my gosh.
Like, what's the point of having limitless takeoff?
Green. Bruh, John just got cooked.
John, get out of the paint.
No way.
It's really selling this.
My bad, Rusty.
Ooh, oh.
I swear to God, y'all.
He's acting like he can body me.
What, did you want a lob?
Yeah, I was expecting one. To
Every
be
time I
honest.
give you a lob,
I say when
you
he
go,
wants a lob,
"Hey!"
you don't get
Yeah,
it, and
I
when he
know,
doesn't
I
want
know.
it, he gets it. Oh my god. No way.
Do y'all think my power forward would be a better build for this team? Like the lineup we're running?
Oh! I'm a dog, for real.
No, I mean, I don't care.
No, you got a problem, say it. Go ahead.
But I just time my releases better.
Okay, buddy. Didn't you go 1 for 7 last game?
No, I time my releases better on the bid man.
Then I take
I
that
meant it's
back.
selling hard. See if I can hit a shot.
Nah, I don't care. I'm a bird.
It's a